was saying before, let's just get you guys up on this phone if I can do it. What I was saying before was a lot of you guys were saying that you'd made a lot of money out of the weekend of where we were doing the one-time lifetime deal, which was a very, very good deal. And I had said that I wouldn't be able to repeat the deal. Just trying to get this up so that I can. There we go. So if you've got any comments, I can see your comments. So you can ask us any questions that you would like to ask. In fact, let's do a whole. Hey, Tyler. Let's do a whole question and answer thing. So we decided to do the lifetime deal again. Now, again, this isn't going to be lasting. Well, I don't know how long this is going to last. Ideally, I would like to last for all time. It has changed a little bit from what it was, but it's still by far the very, very best deal out of it. So this is your basic landing page. I'm going to take you through the whole lot. I'm going to take you through the affiliate payments, everything such as this, how to sign up as an affiliate, and how to make money. In fact, Christian, the ideal person to tell you how to make money, as he's selling quite a bit of it. So we have all the features. So we've got the messenger bot, we've got the SMS, email marketing, which are integrated more than anybody else. Hi, everybody who's watching. We've got the auto post, we've got the e-commerce, and we've got everything like that. Right now, we've got the sales performance. This is the new website. And so we've got the subscriber data, bot analytics. We're showing them the dashboard. We're showing all of this sort of thing. Showing how it makes life easier with all this. A little one of the chatbot working there as well, just to keep it all upright. Now, the Facebook interest finder, I haven't really mentioned this in the final part, but that's pretty awesome. We'll go through all of it. The Google Sheets analytics, the social posting we've got in there. We have about the builders, that's all in there as well. E-commerce store, your stats that you've got in there, shows them how to set it all up. And then we've got this. This needs actually going. I'm going to have to go in and delete this because it's all changed now. So all this bit's going to have to change, right? Which I should have done beforehand. That's one bit I definitely overlooked. Right, and if you keep on coming down, what you're going to get to is, after all of this rubbish, if you click on the Start Now button, then I know it does it in the other one, so it wouldn't, granted it's not going to work in Chrome. It will work in everybody else's Chrome, just I've got that many different tags in here, that's getting a bit ridiculous. Right, so we've got everything as well for free, right? Now then, thanks, Tyler. So, everything for free. What it's going to be, now, I can't run Google Ads to this with a pop-up because Google don't accept pop-ups. So, the front page, which I've just shown you there before, will have a pop-up people are leaving, and it will offer them a free chat ammo account. Now, on the free account, they get a lot less, right? It's basically, if you think of ManyChat and all the feature that ManyChat comes with, we're going to do something a little bit along the lines of what Groove done, where Groove come out with everything that ClickFunnels was charging money for. Groove come out and done a free version. We are going to do exactly the same. So we're going to do a free version of basically ManyChat. So it means that now convincing somebody should be really, really simple. As soon as they go to leave, if you get them onto the page, they'll be offered a free chatbot. Now, what I'm going to be doing the rest of the day is I'm actually going to be making up little tutorials that's going to get delivered to them on a daily basis. So every day they're going to have a new little tutorial that's going to pop up in their email. And it's going to say, hi, listen, got to have a look at this. We'll just say, put it up. This is how you can make more money by auto posting or by building a flow with an e-commerce store or something similar to that. Right. And what it's going to do, it's going to encourage people to actually upgrade and for you guys to get more money. Right. So it's pretty cool. Now, the Build Your Empire membership, that's free for them to join anyway. I would strongly suggest that you send them into Build Your Empire store, which is on the top of both these pages. So it's funneltemplates.net. And then, of course, you have your JV page. Now, if you haven't already signed up for JV, this is the place to come and do it. So it's funneltemplates.net/JV page. Scroll down here. It's going to show you all about the various different parts of the chatbot. And it's going to go in here. So you just click sign up for funnel. I'm already a Groove member, so it gets us straight in there. And once it comes up, it will come up. Sorry, my internet is playing up again today. I love this internet, and we've got horrible weather as well. Once that comes up, it's going to give me all of my affiliate links, so I can go out and start promoting this through my affiliate links. Now, your affiliate links work the same way as what they do in Groove, so that it is linked straight to you no matter what. So if somebody comes and they have a look through and they decide not to buy on that particular day, or they decide to sign up for the free, what's going to happen is next time they come back and they decide they want to upgrade, you are going to get the credit for it because they're going to have to go back through Funnel Templates to get that upgrade. So you are looking pretty good for the upgrades thing, right? I'm not going to put it through the chatbot, which I could have done. We could have sold it straight through the chatbot and made life a little bit easier for ourselves. But I want to give you guys as much commission as what we can actually do. I want to see everybody making money at the end of it. So let's get into Chat Ammo. So again, you're going to get all of the features within Chat Ammo. So has anybody got any questions so far? Sorry, because I know I'm going a little bit fast because I actually only decided on this last night after a bit of a talk with Sue. So again, we're not too sure how long it's going to last for. If we get loads of different people signing up, then our bandwidth is going to go, but we can then advertise to more people. So keep it on a constant flow. And so this keeps on going. So it's all cool. So basically, let's go through the actual chatbot. Any questions at all that you have, please give us a shout, because we all know that I talk far too quick and tend to not really pay attention. So first off, you have your dashboard. So this is the things that you can talk people through. I would suggest that you go out and do lives and whatnot as well. So we've got the chatbot, we've got all the different things that you can talk people through, and it shows it all in here. So it's all quite cool. Very, very simple to understand. You have your male and female subscribers, how many got subscribed in the last 7 days, how many in the last 24 hours, how many messages you've sent out. Got all the different subscriber data, so I can see where they're all at. So gained 47 email addresses, gained 2 phone numbers, and got 136 birthdays. All right, so we're looking pretty cool. So if we're going to build a birthday bot for our restaurants, then this is the way to do it. Now, with the new lifetime, the top tier, the membership site, is not 30 pages anymore. It's 30 in total. But what you're going to get, so it's still going to be the same price, still $207. You get 15 Chat Ammo accounts for yourself, which would be these 15 right here. So it would be 15 of these and 15 Instagram accounts. Pardon me. 15 Instagram accounts as well. And of course, your Facebook groups, right? So we've got 15 of each of those. Now, as well as that, you're also going to get a complete different login, right, for 15 different people as well. Now, this is important, because what it means you can go do, like I was talking about yesterday, is if you're going around restaurants, you can then offer them a commission system. So you can say, if you don't want to pay us outright, we want to prove that our system works. We know our system works. We know that we're good at what we do. So what you can then do is we'll take a percentage off you. So rather than you paying us however much per month, it could be 250 a month, could be 500 a month, whatever it is, then you can say, listen, I'll take 5, 10, 15% from our chatbot. So whatever money our chatbot food ordering system brings in, be it takeaway, eat in, or table service, we'll take a percentage of that. Right now, all that means you would need to do is then set up a simple e-commerce store for them, which obviously would have in all the ordering and all that sort of business, right? So this is where you could really cash in. Now, if it was me, I would sell out affiliate accounts. So I would use my affiliate link to sell to restaurants who want to buy, want to pay monthly. So that's where I would use my affiliate accounts, because then it doesn't matter if they cancel, you've still got your affiliate account money coming in. So that's all cool. So I'd sell that off to them. If you want to cancel you as a service, so not if you want to cancel Chat Ammo, obviously if you cancel them, that's it, done. Although it's a lifetime deal, so it's okay. You'll just get paid anyway. So that'll give you some money straight away up front. So you're going to get the commission. Now, as well as that, you could then charge them a monthly fee for you working. So for you doing your agency work on them, that's when you would charge the affiliate fee. Now, the API channels, there's been a little bit of confusion about this one. We've got all the payment APIs in here. However, in some places, it's not shown here. With some accounts, it's actually shown in your e-commerce store. So nothing to worry about. It's just in your e-commerce store instead. We still have all the social media accounts. So you can still post to Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Medium, Blogger, Reddit, Google, WordPress, and WordPress self-hosted. So you don't need to worry about that. All the posts can be set up in advance so that you don't need to be sitting on top of the computer. This means you can go out and you can start offering social media management services. And when you're offering the services, you can set everything up within half a day and have it running for months. So there's no need for you to actually get involved too much. It's money for nothing. Next, we've got the email autoresponders. Again, we've got more email autoresponders than anybody else. So we've got MailChimp, Sendinblue, Mortic, ActiveCampaign, my favorite, and a Sell Mail. We also have the JSON Connector, which is an API connector, which means that you can send various information from your chatbot to various different other platforms. So you could use Zapier for that. You could use absolutely all sorts. Now, another one is the SMS APIs. Again, we have more than anybody else because we like to. So we have them worldwide. This means that it doesn't matter where somebody is selling, where you sell it to somebody, we can still offer them the cheapest SMS. Now, we've got Twilio, Piblio, all of these ones, right, such as Talk Africa. But you can also add in your own HTTP server. So you can add in, if you see another SMS server you want to use, you can add that in yourself. So you can have any server that you actually want to. Sorry, my eyes keep on going down here. It's just where my phone is. I'm not being ignorant, I promise. Now, next, if you don't want to run an autoresponder, we have a built-in autoresponder in here for your emails. So you can set up the email APIs. So you can use SMTP, SendGrid, MailGud, or Mandrill. Now, a quick word of warning about this. You will not get as good a delivery figures as what you will if you get the likes of ActiveCampaign, because they've tested their servers. They know their servers are good, and they are a trusted server. So when Google sees something coming in, or Hotmail sees something coming in from those servers, it's a lot more trusted than what it is if you send something through this. Particularly if you then start blasting it, you get a big email list, which is what we all want, and you start blasting it, and it's not going to work too well, right? You will still get decent delivery rates, but you're not going to get outstanding delivery rates. Personally, I would say pay a little bit extra, get ActiveCampaign, then you know you're on the right track. Now, you've also got WooCommerce. So if you've got WordPress sites, you can set up the WooCommerce, and you can have product import, and you can have your abandoned cart recovery. So all of that is in there as well. Right, now we've got the new Online Empire training, which I'm quite proud of. This thing is going to be growing rapidly. It already has started growing. And what we're going to do is, if somebody's in the free membership part, then the free membership, they're not going to get the entirety of the Online Empire. So when they upgrade, they're going to get full membership of the Online Empire as well. So once they upgrade, they're going to know exactly what to go with and what to sell, how to sell it, who to, how to get clients, and how to keep the clients happy. So it's going to give them an awful lot more. Now, that's a link to ActiveCampaign. That's actually my affiliate link. If you want to buy through my affiliate link, that would be awesome. Very kind of you. We've also got the affiliate system. Ignore this. Don't use this affiliate system. Use the one through Groove, as it's got longer. It's got a longer gestation period, so people are in there longer. So your cookie lasts an awful lot longer, even though it isn't a cookie. Right. Next, you have your subscription manager. Oh, sorry, no, you don't. You have your comment growth tool. Right, comment growth tools, again, on both Facebook and Instagram. Again, not too sure how long this lifetime sale is going to be lasting. So this is basically like having Hootsuite, but a lot more advanced than Hootsuite. So what Hootsuite does is it goes away and it posts out your content to the various different social media accounts. So for Facebook and Instagram, which are two of the biggest, we wanted to bring something together that's going to give them an awful lot. So we have comment template. Now, this is where we leave a comment underneath where somebody else leaves a comment. So once somebody's commented, we comment underneath and we improve engagement. Remember, we're going to get 6% shown to Facebook and Instagram. So this is going to really enhance your comments and everything such as that. Next, you have reply template. This is when somebody leaves a comment on your page. And then what we're going to do is we can also email them. So we can send them a DM. Sorry, not email. So this is where we can DM them, which again increases which increases the amount of people that Facebook and Instagram show to. So it's all cool. Next, you've got a whole campaign you can automate, and you've got tag campaign in your Facebook. So you can tag anybody that comes in, and you can tell exactly where they've come in from. So it means that you don't have to worry. If you put up a post, for example, if you're advertising Chat Ammo, you put up a post about email within Chat Ammo, so saying about they've got autoresponders or SMTP, what you could then do is you could tag the person coming in saying autoresponder or SMTP. And then what you know is that's what they're most interested in. So you can have a tailored message sent straight to them about autoresponders and SMTP. Now, it's worth setting these up because with the affiliate commissions on the lifetime, it means once you've set these up, you're just going to get paid time and time again. So you set them up, get out there, you could be making $85 or whatever it is per person who signs up, which is a nice little income for doing next to nothing. I would also suggest doing videos and putting videos out there. Even if you don't like being on screen, or you've got a really bad accent like mine, do a video and you'll be surprised on how long that video can keep on bringing you in money for. I done videos for Groove. I then linked them back onto a landing page, and I had my chatbot in the landing page rather than trying to collect their email addresses. Any questions at all, guys, while I'm going through this, then please just jump in. You've also got your stats, which I love. You've got your stats for Facebook, which is not as in-depth as the stats for Instagram. And these are your organic stats. So these give you everything organically, shows you exactly what it all is. Right. Next, we have the Subscribe Manager. Now, this is where you can bring in anybody who has wrote to one of your business pages before. So if somebody, for example, my tattoo shop, if I hadn't already had a chatbot on my tattoo shop, what I could do is I could bring everybody who's ever wrote to my studio, which I believe is around about 6,000-7,000 people. And from there, I now have a ready-made set of people I can send out messages to, or broadcast messages. Remember, no selling it. I have 24 hours. I could make a lookalike audience. I could do absolutely all sorts with them. Right, so that's what the Subscribe Manager is all about. It's pretty damn good. And then you just put enable auto scan in the background, and that'll just keep on checking and making sure nobody slipped through the net, because sometimes these things happen. Right, now next you've got your live chat. And your live chat is basically, you can go in here and chat exactly the same as what you do in Facebook. But you have a couple more little things. So we can label them, we can create labels, we can choose a sequence that they're going to go through. And various little bits and bobs like that. That's going to just help you a touch. Now, obviously, I've got no subscribers in that particular one, so don't worry about it. Right, next we have the Instagram bot. Oh, actually, this Instagram bot, we've actually got this in two places, so it's a little bit strange. So you've got your bot settings. So you've got your get started, icebreakers, things like that. You've got your postback manager. Remember, I talked about postbacks a couple of days ago. We'll go back over it. If anybody still doesn't understand postbacks, or got any questions, we've also got user input custom fields, so we can gather the information from them so that we know what the user input, what questions we're asking them, and so that we can store all of that information for further use. This means that rather than a funnel where we're just taking down one direct route, we can take them off in multiple directions. So if we're selling chatbots, keep that as a simple example, selling chatbots, they might be more interested in sales than what they are in marketing. We can ask them that question. Then we can send them off down a sales route. Then we can send them into marketing. Then we can send them into customer service and things such as this. So we can really tailor fit our sales message to fit what they're looking for. So it means we're never going to be stuck for sales messages. So onward, ever onward. Next, we have Bot Manager. Now, this is the bit where I said they both do the same sort of thing. So you can switch over to Instagram from here. Just scroll up a little bit. And you can change to Instagram. You've got your full builder in here. So we can see this whole restaurant giveaway and Groove sales. This is what I used doing the Groove, which is a decent sized thing. For some reason, my girlfriend put a different top on this desk and the mouse just doesn't work. So that's the Groove sales one. It's got loads of different bits on. That takes them through, well, basically with that one, we just took them through everything that they might be interested in that particular Groove thing. Now, that can be used for anything at all. So if you're into affiliate sales in any way, shape, or form, then build a flow for the affiliate sales. What I was doing with Munchai was I was actually offering a free gift just for people to click on. And the reason why I was doing that is because then I was building up an email list faster than anybody else. So when the next promotion come, I could just blast my email list, blast my messenger list, and job was a good one. Obviously didn't blast them with sales talk, but blast them with various other things. And next, you got your bot keyword settings. Again, you can just do this inside of your chatbot builder, because we've got classic builder, trying to use that one. And we've got set keywords, so we can set more keywords if we want to, and then just drag them in. Personally, just build them on the drag and drop builder. It's a lot simpler. You have your postback manager. Now, your postback manager is where you can join this to the Facebook ads, and you can get an awful lot cheaper ads. So you just take that little bit here, and it takes it, in fact, tells you, use for Facebook click messenger ads. Avoid putting first name, last name, direct link of web view form, direct link of e-commerce store. This will not work. Instead, use postback button or quick reply button to start the messenger conversation in there. Right, so that tells you all that. You just copy and paste this, and it's done. Next, you got your get started settings. Now, this is, remember, we can do it for Facebook or Instagram. So we can do a welcome message if you want to. Well, let's just disable that because I don't particularly like welcome messages. But you could have, hi, welcome to Sean Market, and welcome to Chat Ammo, welcome to whatever business you've got. Click the button below to continue. Right, you'll always have a get started if they've come from your page. Now, as well, you could also have Icebreaker. Now, the Icebreakers are where you can leave the commonly asked questions. So it helps people, as soon as they get into your chatbot, to know exactly what they're looking for. So on my previous example, I said about market and sales, things such as this. What we can then do is we could here say, what is it you're most interested in? What is it your business would like the most help with? Is it marketing? Is it sales? Is it nurturing? Is it building an email list? And we could ask all these various different questions. Next, you've got your general settings. So here we can mark a scene, so we can enable that. So as soon as you actually look at the message, then people's going to know you looked at it. Chat with human email, put your email address in there. Reply if no match is found, which means if they write something to your chatbot and you can't find a reply, it'll send them your email address. I don't particularly like that too much. Now you've also got the active campaign integration. So we'll just add whichever active campaign. We've got all the other integrations here as well. So we've got the marketing automations boot, we've got the Groove sign up, we've got the Chat Ammo one-time discount, all of these various different flows that I've already got built out. You've got your SMS integration, which could be, well, would be Twilio for me. I haven't quite set mine up yet. We're too busy with it. We've got your various email integrations through the SMTPs. We can pop that straight in there. Got the SMS sequence integration. So we can get all that done. I've got this email sequence integration, right? So we have absolutely everything under the sun. It's quite shocking on how much we've got there. Right, so that was the get started settings, wasn't it? No general settings. Right, next I've got your action buttons. So this is where, mainly if you were building it from a tree view, this is where you would fix everything in here. I wouldn't bother too much about this. All these are pretty cool. The birthday quick reply template and whatnot, that's only if you're going to use a quick reply button, whereas I would just collect the user info, which is easier, and then just put the little click reply tick next to it. Next, you've got your persistent menu settings, where you can add various websites. So if you want somebody to go to a website, this is where you can do that. We also have one-time notification post back. Again, if you're interested in the one-time notification, then set that up actually on your Facebook page and have a look just at the Facebook rules regarding that, because they do change every now and again. It basically means at the end of the day, you're not allowed to advertise to anybody within 24 hours. Next, you've got web forms. Now, this is something that only we have, right? So you can create your new web form. So from your website, rather than paying for a separate web form builder, what we can do is we can click with name, email address, telephone number, birthday, location, and we can also use a web form builder, which is going to gather even more information. So I found this particularly good for the likes of real estate agents and things such as that, where you want to know the details of what they want without going through an absolute stack of questions and boring these people half to tears. Now, we've also got the save templates, which I'm going to be producing a lot more of these templates as well. So we're going to be doing like birthday templates, we're going to be doing Wi-Fi, marketing templates, we're going to be doing all that sort of thing as well, which I'm going to group together with lessons, show how to go and get clients for these and make life a lot easier for yourself on actually getting the clients. Right, back again. Let's just have a quick look. So we've got the save templates. Right, we've also got the sequence messenger settings, which again we can set up in the drag and drop builder. We've got messenger engagement. These ones are really quite important. Now I'm going to make a separate lesson on this, on how to add them onto your funnel, because adding these onto your funnel will 10x your conversion rates from a funnel straight to this. It is awesome. And everybody should be using this, because if you're using a funnel for anything at all, this is what you should be doing. Right, user input flow. Again, I would just build that in me flow builder. And whitelist domains. That's just any domains that Chat Ammo might have an argument with. And if you ever do find that, you just put in a domain on there. Right, next we've got the Google API. This is where we send all of our stuff to the Google Sheets, so that we can then share our Google Sheets with our customers, so that they can go out and start using the Google Sheets and see all the information that I've actually collected for them. Now, as well as that, Google Sheets can also be connected up to Zapier as well, which gives you an absolute load of stuff. Now, I've also got broadcasting here as well. So we have messenger broadcasting, SMS broadcasting, email broadcasting, and SMS email sequence campaign. Right, so all of that is all stored in there as well. Right, where are we up to? Right, we have the e-commerce store, which is huge, massive amount of things in here. So you've got the likes of dashboard, orders, store settings, checkout settings, which is all of your various different sales platforms, which means that you can sell worldwide under any currency. And we also have various different languages in there as well. I've got your marketing, so you can put your various different pixels, things such as that in. We've got your categories, your attributes, your products. You can visit the store. We've got delivery points in here as well, which means if you're selling it to a restaurant, you could have every single table as a separate table inside of your chatbot. Somebody scans the QR code and places an order. That order will then go straight to the restaurant kitchen with the table number on as well. So we know that that's all cool. Right. Let's have a look what else we've got. We have the QR menu, which again, very similar. You just go in here and you put the table points in. So that will be a different QR code. Just download it and put it on the side of the table. Maybe it's intent menu. We can do coupons, so we can offer money off to do a big promotion with stuff. So if you're going for a restaurant and they've got a slow selling product, we can offer a promotion on that product and get that product starting moving. We also have sign up customers, so we've got everybody in there. We've got copy URL. This is where we can add individual products from the website and take payments straight away from there. So you're just looking at product URL right here. So e-commerce product 472. So if we copy that, don't know what this actually is, so it could be anything. So that one there is chat demo starter. That was just a little experiment that we're playing with. Right. So people can buy directly from in there as well. Now then, you've also got the order status notification, really important. This is what gets sent to the various different owners of the businesses. So if you're selling to an owner, and what you're going to do, this is why you want them on their own individual accounts, so that they can get all the information. So your order status has been updated to, and you could have it approved, you could have it rejected, you could have it shipped, you could have it delivered, and you could have it completed. So when somebody orders from your chatbot, well, your chat ammo account, we're not going to call it chatbot anymore. From your chat ammo account, what's going to happen is they can track everything all together. Now you've also got your confirmation and reminder, so you can put whatever you want. So you can see order history. Congratulations for stopping at our store. You made the right choice. If you need information, please leave a message here. Of course, you can add to that or do anything like this. You also have reminder reports, which are all cool. Just so you know exactly who you sent it to. A couple more things that I've got in here is we have the image editor. Got two different image editors in here. So this one here, Mini Paint, a little similar to Adobe Photoshop. So you can bring in stuff here. We have various different settings. We can bring in our own library of stuff such as this. Then we can sit and mess about with that and get it all looking right. We also have this image editor, which is a lot simpler. And we've got fairly shapes on there, remove right, pixelate, color filter. So a few different things. And then we can just download the images however we want to do it. Also toggle it full screen as well. From there, we also have the social posting. Now, this is where we can add text, message, image post, video post. Preferably, I would say just use YouTube because the systems do change quite often. So just use YouTube link. So link post, HTML post, bulk post planner, and auto post. Right. So this is where you auto post to WordPress. Right, so it's pretty damn good. So it means you don't need to bother with doing half of the stuff. And of course, you can import your social accounts just like this. So go through LinkedIn, Reddit, Blogger, WordPress, and Medium, and it'll get them all in there. Your Facebook and Instagram accounts will already be added because obviously you needed them there. Now the GMB manager, we're actually back in talks again with Google to get this working and going cool. So that's going to be another thing. But that might not be coming straight away. And it might be a touch extra. I'm not too sure what we're going to do with that yet. It might be, say, $5 a month or something like this. Right, we also have the Interest Explorer. This is going to give you more interest through Facebook and get your Facebook looking perfect. So this is where you can really target down in your Facebook ads and get all of the Facebook ads working absolute dream. So you're not wasting no more money on Facebook ads and paying them, which is never a good thing. And you've also got Kaban. Now this is basically just your to-do lists. So once you've done a list, you can then drag and drop them onto the various different bits. So I normally make a list and then I'll drag and drop them into the next day when they're done. So I'll just have a done list, a to-do list, and all the rest of it. Now you've got your search tools. So you've got your Facebook Hidden Interest Explorer for your ads targeting, which you say been through. You got the website comparison, which is pretty awesome. You can show a business owner their website in comparison to somebody else's website and show the difference in the website, show them that you can do a better job. And you have your hashtag research as well. So you can find hashtags that are related to whatever it is you're selling. And that is about that for in here, right? So that's the actual software. Like I say, right now we're doing, it's 2,000 messages that they're going to get on the free. Now, if we look at 2,000 subscribers, sorry. So what I want to do is I want to look at ManyChat.com. Remember, we have the free account and we have the paid account. Now, the free account, we want pricing, don't we? ManyChat Pricing. So with the ManyChat account on their system, they start with 5, right? And you can get basic features, right, up to 1,000 contacts free of charge. I actually thought it was only 500. So you only get the basic features. Now, once you get over 1,000 people, you've got to upgrade to Pro, and it's $15 a month. Now, we are not doing that because it's not as good as what we want to do. So we're going to give them 2,000 followers. So have a look in here. 2,000 followers. So that will cost them $25 a month. So before they have to pay anything, 2,000 followers, $25 a month, they can pay for a lifetime of our chatbot for $57. So that's two and a bit months, all in there as well. So as you can see, their pricing goes up. Now, remember, with your pricing on the various different parts, we've got like 20,000 on the first one. That will cost them $125 per month. On us, it costs you a lifetime fee, and that's it all done. 40,000, 195, 70,000, and it keeps on going. It is shocking the amount of money that they charge. Like anybody who can afford $8,835 is shocking. In fact, it even went up in price for the amount per thousand, which I don't understand why you do that. But that's the whole thing. So if you guys want to get in here and get advertising it, then it is, where is it? It's funneltemplates.net/JV page. And that's going to get you in to become an affiliate for it. And then just start pushing it, guys. And I can't wait to hear your results. Get everybody to sign up for the free training as well, because you build your empire free training is going to have an awful lot in there, and it's going to help you to convince them to upgrade, which obviously means you're going to get paid on that thing. So hopefully this has been good to you. Hopefully you've enjoyed this with any luck. And if you have, I would love to see some thumbs up. It would be awesome if you'd like to subscribe to me on YouTube. And if you haven't already joined our group, please get over there and join the group. It's Bots for Profit, and it's awesome. You've got Angel and Sue who look after the whole thing and make sure that I don't cock up too badly. Okay, thanks for watching.